Hello viewers, I am Shukla Choudhury and welcome to my channel. Today we are at Anasakti Ashram at Kausani, Uttarakhand, India. Now this is the place where the great freedom fighter of India and father of nation Mahatma Gandhi stayed for few days and called this place the Switzerland of India. Let's explore.
This ashram is popularly known as Gandhi Ashram and officially known as Anasakti Ashram and is a popular tourist destination. Not only because the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi stayed here for 2 weeks in 1929, but also because its scenic beauty, as you can see all around, attracts many film producers to shoot their films in this vast compound around the ashram. You can spend hours playing with these passing clouds. There is a beautiful museum here, holding some beautiful and memorable photos from Mahatma Gandhi's life. And this place is also the birthplace of famous Hindi poet Sumitranandan Pant. And the museum is a reservoir of his photos, poems, manuscripts, and so many things associated with his life, and very helpful for researchers who are working on this famous poet's life and work. This ashram also has some dormitory style rooms. You can see, and interested people can contact the concerned authorities if they want to stay here. This is such a peaceful and beautiful place. Entry fees is free, but you have to pay the car parking fees. But this place surely worth your visit. Either going towards the Gandhi Ashram or while returning, do not forget to halt at Kausani Shawl Factory. They have wonderful handicrafted shawls made with authentic craftsmanship and premium quality materials. Nice collection of shawl and woolen cloths available here. I bought one, very soft and warm. You have different budgets for different quality, so you can always have your pick. Downstairs you can visit the workshop, and it's very special because Gandhiji used to come here almost regularly during his stay at Kausani. In order to encourage the local viewers, let's all together say again, vocal for local. So that's all for the today's video, viewers. Goodbye and take care.